Hey, it's Marcy Klein with Klein Creative Media, and I'm super excited to share with you the newest addition to Klein Creative Media, my new green screen studio space. Let me tell you a little bit about the studio. Walk in the studio, there's a small area for producers to work independently. They have an overhead monitor where they can watch the green screen in action. Then when you walk around the corner of the studio, you see the expanse of the studio. It's a two-wall cyclorama studio. It's 10 feet by 12 feet, and it's the perfect area for 1, 2, or 3 people talking. It's definitely not large enough for a car. You can't bring a car in here, but you can bring people in here. We have a small office space right next to the stage where producers can sit and they can plug in their computer and they can do instant editing. We have editors on site, we have full service producers on site, and we have a production manager on site to help you with your video productions. If you live in the South Bay, it's the perfect location to book a studio because you do not have to hop on the 405 freeway. Located about 5 blocks from Redondo Beach Pier, it's a super cool vibe. I think you're really going to enjoy it.